Hi everyone. Today we'll learn about clavicle. In clavicle, we'll learn in the following headings: introduction of clavicle, site determination, peculiarities of clavicle, features and attachments. The clavicle is a long bone, the bone of upper limb. The right clavicle and left clavicle. The clavicle forms laterally the joint with acromion process of scapula, that is acromioclavicular joint laterally and medially with sternum forms the sternoclavicular joint. It supports the shoulders so that arm can swing clearly away from the trunk. The clavicle transmits the weight of limb to sternum. The bone has cylindrical part called shaft of the clavicle and two end, medial end and lateral end. This is shaft of clavicle and medial end and lateral end of clavicle. Peculiarities of clavicle. It is the only long bone that lies horizontally in our body. It is subcutaneous throughout. It is the first bone to start ossifying. It is the only long bone which ossifies in membrane. It is the only long bone which has two primary centers of ossification. There is no medullary cavity. It is occasionally pierced by middle supraclavicular nerve. Features of clavicle. It has the cylindrical shaft and two end, medial and lateral end. This is right clavicle. About the shaft. Shaft is divided into two parts, lateral 1/3 and medial 2/3. The lateral 1/3 is flat above downwards. It's flattened above downwards. It has two border, anterior border and posterior border. Anterior border is concave forward and posterior border is convex backwards. It has superior surface and inferior surface. In inferior surface there is elevation called conoid tubercle, and here another is trapezoid line. So conoid tubercle and trapezoid line in inferior surface of lateral 1/3. And about medial 2/3 of shaft of clavicle. The medial 2/3 is rounded structure and it has four surface: superior surface, anterior surface, posterior surface and inferior surface of medial 2/3 of clavicle. The anterior surface is convex forward. The posterior surface is smooth. The superior surface is rough in its medial margin, medial part. The inferior surface has rough oval impression at medial end and lateral half has a longitudinal subclavian groove. To determine the site of clavicle, three important things are here. Here, the medial end is large and quadrangular. This is the large and quadrangular, and lateral end is flat. This is lateral end and medial end. And another is the shaft of clavicle is slightly curved so that it is convex in middle, convex forward in medial 2/3 and concave forward in lateral 1/3, and inferior surface is grooved longitudinally in its middle 1/3. Here is inferior surface is grooved longitudinally in its middle 1/3. So This is medial end large and quadrangular, lateral end flat, slightly curved in medial. 2/3 is slightly curved and convex forward, and lateral 1/3 is concave forward. And so this is right sided clavicle having medial end, lateral end, and shaft. Here this is right clavicle, medial end and lateral end. The shaft is curved anteriorly, having medial 2/3 is convex forward and lateral 1/3 is concave forward. So this is right clavicle. Talking about attachment, here lateral end and medial end of clavicle. The lateral end clavicle forms the acromioclavicular joint with the acromion process of scapula. This is acromion process of scapula and joint is acromioclavicular joint. In medial end, the medial end form with the joint with the sternum forming the sternoclavicular joint. Talking about muscle attachment in different parts of clavicle. Here red color denotes the origin of muscle and blue color denotes the insertion of muscle. And lateral 1/3 here, this is the insertion of trapezius muscle and this is origin of anterior head of deltoid muscle. Let's see. This is trapezius muscle is inserted here and this is deltoid anterior head is originated from here, and this is pectoralis major muscle originate from here. This is pectoralis major muscle, clavicular head of pectoralis major muscle, and here the sternocleidomastoid muscle, clavicular head, and then here is sternohyoid muscle originated. This is sternocleidomastoid muscle, and remaining one is inferiorly subclavius muscle insertion. This is subclavius muscle insertion of subclavius muscle. This is trapezius muscle insertion. This is deltoid anterior head origin. This is sternocleidomastoid muscle origin. This is pectoralis major clavicular head origin. These are details about the muscle attachment, that is origin and insertion in clavicle bone.